Hey, good morning, Bobcat fans. Bob Brett here, Bobcat Outdoors. Hey guys, this morning Anna and I are out here on Lake Chickamauga dragging baits. I'd much rather be bumping, but we don't have the flow for bumping right now. So we're out here fishing a tournament this morning, so you may hear me turn around and talking to the phone. But anyways, we got 6 rods out dragging baits behind the boat on a submerged island on Lake Chickamauga. Angling is with me today. Hopefully we can get her on the big fish. But guys and gals, y'all stick around. Let's see what we can make happen. Whoa! Get on, Anna, come here. Fish on! Bobcat. We hooked up early in the tournament. Here's the first fish of the day, guys. And I believe it's a pretty good one. Nah, ain't that big, it's small. I think Anna's having a little trouble with the drag, so I'll go check it out. This is a brand new reel, and I probably just didn't set the drag good on it. I think it's a PC Fun Chaos 60, I believe. That's a brand new reel. Shouldn't be wrong to drag on it. Shouldn't be. It's the first time I've used it. That's the problem. The reel had skunk on it. Sometimes when you get new gear in the boat, you gotta get the skunk off of it, guys. First fish of the day, guys. Let that Hellcat bent over.
Well, you're gonna have a pretty good fish if you're gonna be bending on a Hellcat.
Yeah, it might be decent, but he's way back there. That one's on a short leader too, and I got about a 18-inch. Well, he's coming across the water. He ain't no giant, but that line was just way back there.
Yeah.
He's probably net worthy though.
While we're waiting on Anna to reel in, we got Brian B's came in. He said got me. Jimmy Geiger.
Uncle B.
Good luck. Uncle G. Fish Sizzle's the nickname from working as hard, fry, cook as Long John Silver.
All right, step down, baby.
David Smith, get him, Bob. Get him.
Hey. In the net. Fish in the net. How many of them grippers right there, bro? Got waked out.
The River Warriors was out fishing yesterday. They were catching some nice fish. There were some 50s and 40s and all kind of fun stuff yesterday.
8.1, JG.
It's point
I'll be
8.1.
yeah, and 0.3 for the grips.
So 7.8.
He's just a baby. You gonna hold him up? Go back there and hold him up. I'll put the show everybody. Yeah, let it go. Come on, white bass chunk. Now keep an eye on that rod on the far right. And there she goes. I got the host's attention of the tournament right here to let him know we had a fish on. Anna takes a back seat on this one and lets old Dad reel it in. You'll have to forgive me for overdubbing the video, but pretty much as you can see by the waves, the audio is hot garbage on this clip. So I'm going to sit here and do a little narration for you folks. Quite a windy day we had. The wind picked up. And had we not been fishing this tournament, Anna and I would have long ago been off the water. Sometimes when you got fish on these boards, it takes a long while to get them in. That was our board that was out the furthest. We probably had 200 yards of line out behind the boat to get this fish in. Another good indicator of the wind speed is those sailboats in the background. Anytime you see them out on Lake Chickamauga, it tells you we got a pretty good clip of wind to deal with. But that's okay, we still caught fish. Sometimes getting these boards off can be a real pain in the rear end. Anna's gonna grab the net for me and get ready to net this fish. Finally getting him close to the boat, guys. A little rod shuffle here. Getting him in all those other lines. It's a miracle that I was able to get this fish in without getting every line in the boat snagged up. And there he is, guys. He's in the net. In the net. Man, it does a good job hoisting this fish over the side. Let's take a look at what we got here. Well, we weigh the fish. I'm not sure how much it weighed. Gonna weigh the fish right here, hit hold on the scale, and then show it to the camera. There he is, guys. Time to let him swim away so he'll fight another day. He gone. Look at that rod on the right, guys. Anna grabs this one out of the rod holder and gets to work on him. I think we got a little tangle going on in the back there. Yep, that's a good fish. Wasn't sure if it was hung or if it was actually a fish. Had to make sure. Anna's turned into a pretty good angler. She knows how to crank down on a fish and lift up with the rod tip. Hate to say it, but I taught her well. That's my girl. Now, like I said, we're fishing a live tournament, so I got the phone in my hand and I'm letting all the viewers at home watch the fight while I make sure everything's all right in the back and grabbing the net. Hopefully all the folks at home got a good view of Anna fighting this fish. Do a little rod shuffle right here. Fish is right behind the boat. And there's the board. Pink Uncle Lou's board. And he's in the net. Folks at home got to see it too. Fish in the boat. There we go. Good job, Miss Anna. Like I said, guys, she's quite an angler. This is going to be a little better fish, guys. We're going to leave this one in the net and weigh it in the net. Yeah,
believe we got a good net.
27.1.
27.1, almost 30 pounds. Not a bad fish at all.
Just to make sure.
I'll show the camera the weight
One
and
more time.
we'll do it one more time.
Yep, confirmed.
And it is confirmed.
I think they might be over 30 pounds. I don't like the way I'm.
Time for the reveal, guys. You ready to see this fish? And there he is. Nearly 30 pounds.
Huge, long fish. Get a big old belly on him.
So violent.
Let him go.
Time for the release, guys. I'll let him swim away. Fight another day.
He undid himself.
He gone. Now I want y'all to look at that rod right behind me. We ain't even got the other one back in the water yet.
He smacked the crap out of him.
Well, is he there or did he let go?
He's running at the boat.
Yep, he ran at the boat. They'll do that to you sometimes. I believe Anna's going to let me have this one, maybe. Yeah, I'll hand it off to Anna. Let her fight this fish.
No, we're not big.
We were having a really good day for sure.
Doing bait swap out.
Miss Anna works this fish like a pro. There he is. This is one of our short rods. It wasn't on a planer board, just dropped behind the boat, and he's in the net, folks. There he is on deck.
Old pounder.
Let's get him on the scales and see what he is. 10.5 pound fish, guys. It's a nice fish, guys. Let's let him go.
Put him back. Let me get this rod back out. Pretty fish. Plain fish right here. Female. Here, put him back.
I'm going to hand the fish off to Miss Anna and let her release it. There you go. Now I want y'all to keep an eye on this pink board that I'm zooming in on right here behind the green rod. Looks like a scene from Jaws. Boy, he just ripped that board. Hey, and as quick as he took it, he let it go. Talk about heartbreak. Man. That's part of fishing, folks. You got disappointment sometimes just like that. But it sure was fun to watch, wasn't it?
Oh, fish on! Yeah, I mean, the board just went flying to the back of the boat. It was awesome.
Well, Anna and I are heading in after a long day of fishing. Us and the boat took a good pounding. But guys, here we are at the takeout. Hey, if you enjoyed this episode of Bobcat Outdoors, if you don't mind, please click that like and subscribe button and tune in for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, God bless.